the judgment any ruling by na ruling no judges are more so no this is Duche any Amegache Professor Kote Mrs. Owusu Lovelace Johnson Onyuga and Kulendi na judges see the ruling by ruling no e by no e hun sem bebre as to whether a presiding member of parliament or presiding in the absence of the speaker no can vote or be counted. Any the issue ebaya edin sembebre comments ahoro aba any ehun tokwa any ehun threats any atemidi Supreme Court for judges Ghana fumu bi Diomatem Ebimunso are taking the issue to a level they are daring the Supreme Court judges and they are making a mockery of our democracy and the judiciary. And then you share the judgment, no, the legal implication, and then the aftermath of the judgment, no. What should we do? Internet court judgment. Cameraman, camera, copy of the Supreme Court judgment, in India. Media, this is the original, this is the certified true copy of the Supreme Court judgment. Me crown a life. A public document, Obi Biara, Upebino, Koje, who say judgment, no, any certified true copy. Oko, the registrar of the Supreme Court, who could tria 50 Ghana, 100 Ghana, a public document. Available on the 11th of March 12 no na are available na obian konya copy because of this program it may take time you read it through the judgment no I ask beti bibia wo ha ene meboa wo na wate ase na amanfo propaganda ene atemidi no wo hu say obi biara odi atem use propaganda on this judgment no wo si ni hu te meto mebo ase a chere judgment mu yie eba wate ase na if they ma running me commentary on the judgment and the way forward. And you know, to say we judgment years of ma future to guide our future conduct in parliament. And then they raise a lot of serious, very interesting legal arguments as to the how we should view parliament and the powers of parliament. And it's so interesting. You may be and man babusem yebane brofo me kan brofo be bring tinti me breba twimu asummarize am matias here. And this is the peace judgment me so bianco ne bonye den oko o frame kwa me photo me copy o just say I think say oko even Supreme Court website or something I think you can get a copy there minua ko nye bi na yengai ade a unim evidence. You don't understand. The language here, no, then we have people who are not lawyers. John Mama, I said, where is NDC people, a bit more, and a lot, some me sure say, one passing constitutional law. But some Gyamfi passing constitutional law. A Ghana laws will most uncle some Gyamfi constitutional law. And a Ghana law faculty, because if not that, make us say he needs to go back to school to study constitutional law because the arguments and parliament is supreme according to Sammy Gyamfi, parliament is sovereign and supreme, and parliament has the power to do. Nobody can touch power. Parliament means Sammy Gyamfi. How old are you at the bar? Now, what's the separation of powers? No, you see. So these are elements when the judgment now go in favor, no, they have taken arms and daring the Supreme Court judges, and if you know, almost making very treasonable statements. You can say treasoner, and you'll be our kupewu, and you'll be our kupewu. You can say treasoner, obi biara all resisting the Constitution. Who share a constitution? The only way you better compensate you. every citizen, every citizen has the rights and the duty to protect the constitution. And the constitution is the mother of all laws in Ghana. The moment you overthrow the constitution, why you coup? And it coup, because a coup, and not treason, and yes, I felt true. But obi biara, why not just say on for constitution, maybe juma, it is a constitutional judges, Supreme Court judges to me, some interpretation. Normally interpretation about not under the same constitution. No. Final judicial power rests with the judiciary. Then you have elements of minority. I will not do so them because I don't practice that. I will not do so. He's not a practitioner. Me who will court to that. I will not do so. Me who will court to that. It's already the law now rusted. You know, when you don't go to court, your law rust. It's I will not do so. Some of they are rusted. Court. What they say? But yeah, appear court. Yeah, cases every day. No, lawyer ni be your practitioner goes to court, makes argument. What they say? Yeah, say no, your law no, you're sharp, very sharp. What they say? No law, but when it comes to politics, political science, you must be a bing. What they say? You must be who call la bonne secondary school best student in government. Oba legona, law, political science, me college is stupid. But political science, Oba law school, sir, 2000, the year 2001, best student in company law, Maurice Ampaw. What they say? Hey, best student in company law. Yeah, we have made it big. What they say? Yeah, shatter. You can't do law, yeah, shatter. Lawyer Ampaw, shatter. What they say? You can't take it away from me. Cases say what court are meeting Niano, judges are making so many they know. The lawyers who are practitioners see lawyer Ampaw in court. It's a bit so because I lawyer Ampaw and now court I have my records are there. Students they saw me at the law school and what I was capable of do. From Labone Secondary School, what I said best student, the whole Labone Secondary School. Yeah, exams my friend say sixth form, no matter top here. I was the best student in Labone Secondary School. Go and find out. What I say, go and find out. What I say, now badly go so law no go and find out. And law school. Mubisa President Ado, honor the award remind best student in company law. What I say, and you know, you will be where we have learned how to be humble and then understand. Say, when you are a lawyer, na Supreme Court not ruling, no say, made me full judgment, but in 2 days' time, you don't go out and attack a judgment that only copy. And then today, a lot of people are not being copy because the first copy now available. Copy number. It means I'm talking on facts. Now, summary of the ruling by any details no. Then we have a lot of commentary. Among for Maya, they didn't have the opportunity. So many copy of the ruling. Na ya hwena ya kinkan na ya tiase na ya start say ye di Supreme Court judges no and the Supreme Court ahoroba Sam George any copy on was start here ruling by na only cap summary onye lo ye ni one kind Sam George MP one kind only copy of the ruling as I speak only copy of the ruling on tiase Sam George in tiase on tiase Obayo parliament judges no munya fun mo subanya mo di to meni nye na makogina yi levy fu echi e na mo pese mo control parliament e na parliament ma kwan ma mo control enti mo pa mo be referee na mo ba na mo pass ball ma a majority for na yenhwe e di gbesi ni such an irresponsible statement and comments coming from an MP. It's so sad. Then we have President Mahama who did copy of the ruling on steady year. But for a legal language now, what true and my man tias my man yellow only the English. Court so any brofo you can legal language. You were legal terms. Send doctors medical terms no. Send my man so are you good in communication? Only communication terms no. Copy no my man be also be better no. And I judges know that more interfere with parliamentary work. More manabon. But meanwhile, no copy. Sammy Gyamfi as a lawyer, any copy. Also be by out. And the parliament minority might resist. The ruling is bogus. Then we have Professor Azar or the US. Me who be say on the lawyer no lawyer or genuine lawyer or Lansing so on the US not to my also copy of the ruling on can you be omunia before 11th no. They have all passing comment. Then you have Abangbagbi, copy of the ruling in San Kanye or to Dubai or see or sa ni Henia. According to Abronia no, Henia na yen na man shwa na yekese no. Or to ona so Abangbagbi drain ho na ni shwa na onye hu adwuma no. And also to Dubai, copy of the ruling Unibi. And also what to be my president Mama Nanado. See a lot of NDC apparatchiks and sympathizers. You did Supreme Court attempt. Then you have Johnson Asedu Kitia. Only the before God the man no. Since Asedu Kitia entered to politics, I've never taken his word serious because he look as if jokes no doors. Asedu Kitia also by I don't have faith in the judiciary. Such an irresponsible statement. Such a very irresponsible statement. I don't have faith in the judiciary. I said the kids are on the court cry, court to sample cry. All these statements no because ruling now minority ni NDC they want me panel. Because the intention is to frustrate government, make the Nanago government ungovernable. Into no ruling now mono. Not just say a whole lot of attacks from the judiciary. But you see, it's very sad, say, when you don't have a copy of a full ruling, you don't comment. It's a mubu hoa yatiti na as a lawyer no uni access and copy to a ruling na unshare down kumu na unye legal critics and analysis. Share the statement ruling no we share the introduction of the ruling. If you look at the ruling no the background the judges gave no we share the reliefs we quite issue for determination we share the way a judge no Kulendi Justice Kulendi, one of the friendliest lawyers our parties for more than 35 years of my life and so that you call into the Supreme Court straight. What I say, you need enough now. What bang? We share on the lead ruling. The ruling in me, so be a copy. So be a copy. Before God the man, everybody should have a copy of this ruling. One of the brilliant legal analysis who share the way I brought that form and then the reasons or the Maya. I'm so proud to know say Kulendi is making an impact in the Supreme Court and the judicial system. In our jurisprudence, Kulendi has shown we share the full ruling and the way to was that church the ruling now Supreme Court made a fantastic ruling that legally no you cannot challenge it. Because it's based on legal arguments, evidence, and authorities are what society will ruling no. Meanwhile, President Mama, I said, when I say all those people are almost attacking the ruling, no, they didn't have a copy. But they went out and threw political bombs and attacked. And you know, they didn't give any proper response because when they tell me to respond legally, no. Because only copy of the ruling. Until they did emotional response. What they be for show and they responding and they be for show yeah attack Supreme Court judges must say and no more to honor and all that they do is to try they are trying to interfere with what when they say the work of Parliament. They are trying to tell Parliament what to do. And that was the attack. If you Obisu say, oh, and the judgment is an endorsement for e-levy. Usha judgment also, there is nothing about the e-levy. There is nothing that the reasons for doing they give no. The judges were not doing, they went into politics. They look at the law, they look at the evidence, they look at the constitution, and this is one of the brilliant legal analysis of the judgment. And the entire so be anya company say, according to the Supreme Court, the case as to whether deputy speaker can vote or be counted no ye bibia ye ni bi e bi see that wagana bakosem it way a novel like first time it not there is no law Supreme Court is no be hwe ede atoto ho it they decided to make a judicial president